Hey, there's a generation that does not give a hoot about what you think about them. Meta with the Gen Z.
Gen Z.
Yes.
Iwajiririe Gen Z ni andu a muciaro wa kuma mwaka uriku?
96.
Kuma 96.
Yes.
Guka nginya
2012. Yes.
Acio ni o Gen Z.
Yes, koguo mbiru ria nguru ya Gen Z.
Ero dasi ciarika riu.
Horio ya Gen Z. Gweciria 29 riu. If not 28, 29 there.
29 there, yeah.
Aria ni riu ni 2012. Yes.
Yarika na gatiba.
Yarika na gatiba ni 2010.
Oh, 2010, sorry.
Aje rumena miaka 17 kana igana.
Andu a 2012.
13, no, 17 is 2010. But 2010 you might turn 15. Oh, gosh, you're 13.
They should be 13.
So the younger ones are 13.
The older ones are 29.
Mahauru gushoka na oko ni ithuiru. The millennials.
Millennials riu ni 96 go ikuruka.
Yes. Na millennials kuma 1990 guka riu nginya millennials majiri gucia majiri 8 oko 79 gotire withi wa miaka 35
gotire no actually
I think the youngest millennial is 30.
Yes,
if not 31.
They are 30, the youngest
is the youngest millennial.
Yeah, national ya muciaro wa 1995
one riu aya giothe kuma 90 gucoka na guku thutha tumegonga 35.
Tariu andu are othe a 80s.
Yes.
There is nobody in the youth bracket.
Nobody has a agpo.
It's expired last year.
Yes.
2024.
Especially Romero Meta na retirement. They don't have any endowment fund. Yes. Thirikari we ni witegeme.
Witegeme.
Yes.
Gisukume.
You don't know ile etha cia burice no ya thirikari.
Hasora.
Ione.
Na no aikondo kuri wariha agono wote nduri wariha ri.
Yes.
You have to repay the other one.
And they wete gwakinya handu kwerwa atiru tondu andu matirari hari. Waya ukoko nduri hite hoso na fandi ri. Wathie na sha ikarega kuruta wira.
That's an illegality.
Yes. Generation ino ya andu millennial ri. Niyo generation ya mucokoro ina thithi. Aya Gen Z mathire thithi. Tau no ria marandika nginya mitando-ini uhoro wigie nginya uguthie Sayuni. Millennials, we don't joke about those.
No, we don't.
There's an aspect of our mind that tells us there's a dark world.
You see, the better part of millennials, they have seen bad times.
Yes. No, even wanaona borithi kama maundu moru muno. So we fear them. We don't joke about death.
No.
Yes. And we fear the power of the tongue. Gen Z, maneno power of the tongue, maka uatiriri. Mbona hiyo power of the tongue nikisema niko na 1 million spat. Kama ni power of the tongue. Mbona nikisema nataka pesa kama ya Uhuru spat. Power of the tongue ni nyinyi. Though there have been some recent posts, Gen Z joking about transition from these apps, and they are not funny to us.
Actually, if you do kona nyumi ya kwaria maundu ta mau.
Yes. Makiuga ati niona igerie maandamano ndengurwo mutikana ndute macicio ndenda gukona cia itadi. They have very dark humor. And they don't give a hoot.
It's a different generation.
Very different. Very daring generation. And they are from the information age. If you have maundu maingi muno tutoi. We are still struggling with those things. Atha ici nona twara thimu gukira muthoni ta thondekera ta thie hanai. Undu ni ureka atia? Ni
urandanga.
Yes.
Kana ni urakuremerera.
Na nikiona au mundu takata undu ngimona na iPhone. Kete ndangia phone.
Ni kumutanga.
He wants to keep it simple. Yes. This generation ile yariri. Wauga tose Gen Zs are always on toes. Magiro tuna meet mahali 10:30 usiku. They will be there.
But you see, they have energy and they are flexible.
Yes. Ithuĩ millennials mũcemanio wanakera ithatũ rĩ. Ndũgakorwo na ũndũ technical.
Ona nĩ ũragia. No to postpone. No nginya tũcemanie mathaa mau.
Tũcemanie thaa 4 cia ũtukũ.
Katutangĩ gũtwara mũthenya ũngĩ.
Deliberately. Ũtukũ wa ũmũthĩ. Ũcio handũ ndĩrarahũka.
Wina early morning.
Yes. Na ira ndinakoma wega. Gen Z tũkaigua makiuga ndinakoma wega. No, we belong to a generation where we had a lot of caution. Na nĩ twetigĩrĩte mehia. Mehia. Nĩ tuona hena possibility ya gũkahĩa na mwaki. No mũthĩ no the Gen Z. Those ones will tempt fate. Utaga borithi mask. Ithuĩ nĩ tũngĩageririe ũguo. Chiama hiti ya kanu saba.
No, even you are muhirega will write you off.
Yeah, they will say you are looking for your own demise.
Muhirega no gukane. Anyway, o generation ye maundu mayo.
Maundu mayo. Tona metagwo ni X card ĩrĩ kwĩ ĩrĩa ĩ mbere itu.
Next mbere ya millennials.
Yes. No magegagio nĩ ithu.
Muno.
Yes. Though now from the X gũcoka na kũu thutha matitiganĩte mũno. Traits. They had a lot of similarity.
You see, rĩu nakuona kũu mĩake wa na kũu gũcoka na kũu thutha rĩ.
Yes.
There's nothing much happening in the country.
Yes. Ona maũndũ moka rĩu haha millennials twanjĩria kuma rĩu hĩndĩ ya pambana. There is that generation that of course lays claim to the ownership of this country. Arĩa marĩ gũkĩrũĩrĩrwo kĩ? Wĩyathi. I think they are the X's.
X na the other mbere ya X nĩ nĩo metagwo silent.
The silent generation. Baby boomers nĩ agatena tene.
Silent na boomers nĩ mebere.
Mebere mzoni. I think it is the silent.
The silent generation.
Nĩo me thutha ũyũ. Yes. Rĩu Gen Z na mauga ithuĩ millennial rĩ. Atĩ nĩu nĩo maratũrũĩrĩra.
Well,
we have our fears.
And we have fought our battles.
Yes. Never mind, we are the one raising them anyway. Directly and
indirectly.
Yes. Anyway, it's like that.
Ni hali ya life.
No, we can't menye mirinyo akumanite gũcoka na thutha. We are all past 35.
We are past youth bracket.
I think the oldest millennial is almost 50. The oldest millennial.
Ocio no born ke 80.
Could
be 45.
45.
Yes, 45.
Let me check. Your mode was born 80.
I'm a capote pipe.
Yes. I'm checking that right now. Near Kumaite one. When 44 years.
44 years, the oldest.
Yes.
The youngest you are born in 95 and that.
Yes. 1995. So the millennials are that plus. And most of them are parents. Most of us, rather. Young parents and the senior parents.
Never mind the millennials. Nĩo merekeire rĩu kuoya wathani from the other generation.
Yes. Itotau twathiĩte na kata rĩu tũkĩrĩ ciana nini. Twathiĩte na kana mũcemanio wa kindergarten tondũ tũgĩthomithagĩria kũndũ kũmwe. We looked like consultants. You see how it to the rika rĩrĩ ya Muthoni just passed there. Mena tuona marathomithĩria kũndũ kũu. Na kapo rĩa maracira manyitanĩte moko. Ithuĩ ona ciana iria tũrathomithĩria kũu, they know how to fend for themselves. Wamweka bagi nĩaramenya harĩa clips irĩ.
mwe mucemania andu maramba gwiciria no anga sub county director okay na munini wake
acio na ari mutone maengejaga aciari activities iniri they were giving us a bath, a wide bath. Alma aru era ke mahumuke hau
kakijali
ndera katari no menya ni ari riu me kindergarten turi na angi marehereire ngoi
oguo kundu kuu ni mukuona ngo
etho kuona ngo as a senior parent
consultant parents
na he muyesu ari hau ena kana karathoma o kirathi kimwe na my daughter anjuria you have how many? No, I have another 3. Eish! Eish!
Kuria. Ujihurumi.
I have practically every grade.
Gaioma.
Yana mama kimuria njira atiri ciana ti irio itigana